Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this large 9-drawer dresser that we're going to modernize and redo. So hit that subscribe button and let's get this project started. Alright, it's a large, heavy 9-drawer dresser. We're going to pull all the drawers out. We're going to remove the hardware, check the tracks, check the subframe, make sure everything's in good working order. We're going to sand this piece down, paint it, scuff it just a little bit, wax it, and we'll get this piece finalized. Now, in a future video, probably the next one that I'll post, I'm actually going to do a matching nightstands to this set. So that's another video for you guys to check out. Let's get started by removing the hardware. Alright, got the drawers out. We're going to glue up any of the tracks that are loose. While those are drying, we'll sand. We're going to then paint this piece after we clean it up. But we got to get through this tough part of the sanding. This is not my favorite part. It's probably not going to be your favorite, but it's super important to get that paint to stick really nice and have that lasting long-term effect. And if you're trying to sell these pieces, well, it just takes it to that next level to show that you're really putting in the effort and the value of the price. So I got my DeWalt Sander 80 grit sandpaper. There's not much straight lines on any of this stuff, so we'll only be touching on it for just a second. We'll pull the paper and we'll be hand sanding all the drawers. So let's get started. We've vacuumed it out, we've wiped it down, and now we can start painting. This is when all that hard work that you put in comes to fruition. So we're gonna pull these drawers, we're going to paint each one, 2 coats, so we'll go through all of it, then we'll return, do it all again. Today, Behr Premium Prime and Paint, color is Blackout, the finish is Eggshell, and got our Wooster brush, so we're good to go. So let's get started. We've painted it twice, we let it dry, and now we're gonna sand it, give it a nice little scuff job. Now this is a step that you could skip at your own house if you wanted that solid look, but here at Vintage Statements, well, we're gonna add a nice little scuff to it. So I got some old 80 grit sandpaper. We're just gonna go over the entire piece, give it a nice scuff, get the edges all worn out, things like that. We'll do the frame, we'll do the drawers, and then we can move on to waxing. So let's get started. scuffed it up. Now we can start waxing. We're gonna use our mini wax, finishing wax in natural. Got an old sock in here. It's probably already 70 some degrees here in Phoenix, so the wax is gonna melt really nice on this project. As you can see, it looks dull. Well, this wax will bring it back to life, give it a nice little wet look. So it's gonna be perfect. Put it on everything, drawers, frame. Next time you see this project, well, I'll have the hardware on. I'll have it under or behind this wall here for those final looks. So let's get started. Completed 9-drawer dresser, Blackout Black by Behr Prime and Paint. We scuffed it, we waxed it, and I think this piece has quite the transformation. It's gonna look great in somebody's house. Remember, we have another video coming out. Probably our next video up will be the nightstand, the regular size nightstand and the extended version nightstand of the same style. So check that out also. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some pretty cool projects. Also, thumbs up, any comments, we'd love to read them.